today here's the deal. This crane lifting up a motorbike. I'm gonna drop it. I'll show you how at the end of the video, and then I'm gonna show you, and then we're gonna actually drop it in the biggest height. I know how to do the biggest height, and I just want to do that. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm just gonna get this little timer thingy so I could get the camera up. So, well, just wait a moment. Okay, I'm still going to use this card. Last time I used this card because I wanted to use it because it's much better that I can move the camera with the wheels. Okay, guys. So, do you see this little cord right here? This thing, when you put this can't drop. But when you unplug this and let go of that cord, it's gonna drop. See? Simple. And I have to tie it again. Okay, this is the Lego crane. I forgot its number. Wait, guys. I think I'm gonna type the Lego number in the title and the description because I think I remember. Okay, so we're gonna drop it in another height. Probably in a normal, silly height. Alright. Which one is taller? I think this one is more shorter, so I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna do the more higher, the better. Okay. Okay, guys, get ready. Guys, I had to use this. I don't want to drop it on the glass. I need to put it right here, so it won't drop on the glass. So we just release this cord right here. Okay, watch. Oof. Oh man. Okay. Oh, did you just see that? Oh, it's dropped, but something got tangled. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna actually, because I want to show you what it looks like when it reaches the bottom. I'm gonna still use this card. Yep, and then let's go with it. Okay. Okay. Just guys, this is going to be insane. Actually, I'm gonna drop it from that seat. Did you know that I can actually hire that seat? This is going to be an insane video. Totally do not report copyright claim actually, because I've worked really hard for this video. So please don't do that. Cool, see? And it's supposed to go up there. Yep, it's getting up. just a bit slow. Just a bit slow. Just a bit slow. Oh, just a bit more? Okay, good. Let's not put it that high. Probably that will just be nice. Okay, guys. Again. Drop it. Drop it. Dropping it. Drop. Watch how I do it. Okay. Watch how it goes in the bottom. Ha! It's going to be insane. What? Who's disturbing? Okay, well, someone was disturbing. I had to tell them, shh, do not disturb. I'm making a video. That's much better, much more silent. Okay! Ow. Wait, this is interesting. So it sometimes runs out of string and then locks itself there. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, guys, I think just to make the video interesting, I'm gonna do the insane ones that make the chair higher, just in case. So I have to pull this thing. See? It just got higher. This is going to be very risky. Do you guys agree? I'm just going to do the insane one just because of fun. Right? You guys agree? Okay. Okay, again, it's slightly a bit insane. Ow. Okay, guys, do you still see the motorbike dangling? Whoa! It just pushed the crane so hard. Oh my. Again. Let's do it again. Hook it off. Get it to the maximum height and go. Just go, just go. Okay, guys, it's going a bit higher. Oh my, guys. Ready, set, go! Go! You can still see it dangling? Yep. Now let's go to the maximum height. Let's go to the maximum height. Yay! Oh, sorry, guys. That was the really maximum height. Maybe let's do it again, okay? And that would be the last, and I'm going to upload it. Okay, fine. The last, I promise this is going to be clear. No stops. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, now I'm going to upload it, and I'll see you later.